Recently, several discussions have been circulating on social media regarding the current situation of Chiu and Paulo Avelino, particularly rumors claiming that their pairing, popularly known as KimPau, is allegedly coming to an end. According to these claims, Chiu may soon be replaced as Paulo Avelino's on-screen partner, sparking concern and confusion among fans. Many supporters have expressed that their only wish for Kim is genuine happiness. They believe she deserves a partner who will truly love, understand, protect, and stand by her through life's challenges. Fans emphasize that Kim has already endured so much pain and hardship, and as people who care deeply for her, they do not want to see her taken advantage of again. Their support comes from a place of concern and love, not intrusion into her personal life. Some viewers, especially senior fans, have also reminded everyone to respect the personal decisions of Kim and Paulo. They pointed out that Paulo naturally attracts admiration from many, which often fuels speculation. They stressed the importance of being cautious about believing everything seen on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, or Google, as fake news has become widespread across these platforms. Discernment is necessary, especially when it comes to celebrity relationships. Regarding Kim's occasional denial of rumors, many believe this is simply her way of protecting herself and whatever personal matters she chooses to keep private. Observers note that actions often speak louder than words, and fans tend to believe what they see rather than what is publicly denied. Chiu herself recently shared a powerful message in her vlog expressing resilience and faith despite pain and betrayal. She stated that life does not stop because of suffering and that every challenge teaches lessons about courage, faith, and trusting God's timing. According to her, nothing happens without reason, and every tear and struggle serves a purpose. Even amid uncertainty, she chooses to move forward and protect what she has worked hard for, refusing to let anyone bring her down. This message reflects her inner strength and determination to stand firm no matter the circumstances. Meanwhile, rumors continue to circulate that KimPau may be dissolved next year, allegedly due to Paulo having projects with other actresses, including Nadine Lester. Some fans have expressed frustration and sadness, questioning why Paulo would take on projects without Kim if their pairing is still active. These speculations intensified after claims that Paulo stayed longer in Ilocos for work and did not immediately return to Manila, which led to unfair assumptions and accusations. However, there has been no confirmed information stating that KimPau will be disbanded. In fact, projects featuring Kim and Paulo are reportedly already lined up for next year. This makes the rumors even more questionable. Major networks are known for carefully managing successful love team